In our last video, we discussed some of the drawbacks of using an acrylic coating. In this video, I wanted to highlight a few of the areas where you really have to pay attention to if you decide to go with an acrylic type roof coating for your facility. So let's get to it. So one of the main areas that we see a lot of failure with the acrylic roof coatings is along the waterways. Now this is an area where water has a high volume of travel. If you think about it, when it rains or we have condensation, or if you're washing the roof, water is making its way down the slope into the waterway, and then it's getting to the drain, the scupper, or whatever method is getting water off that roof. So this sees a lot of volume of water passing through it. And at times, that water could sit if that drain or that method of getting the water off the roof is clogged, and now you have standing water. Now over time, what happens as that standing water sits there, along with dirt, silt, and other contaminants that fall on the roof, it can begin to break that coating down. Now you'll start to see where you'll have leaks at the edges of the building, on the walls. You'll see streaks inside the warehouse, or you might see streaks near the drain areas, and that is a result of that coating failing and allowing water to pass through. And if you remember, that coating is permissible, so it will allow water to pass through it if it sits for an extended period of time. So this is something you really want to think about when you have or you're using an acrylic roof coating system for your facility. Keep that in mind, that you are going to have to pay attention to these areas. And if you have a maintenance program, that program should reflect that they are checking the waterways, they're checking the drains, the scuppers, and the methods of that water getting off the roof, that those areas are really paid attention to on a regular basis. And I'll add this before I close the video out. Most service agreements or requirements in a warranty ask that you get on the roof at least twice a year. But if your roof is a busy roof where you have a lot of equipment, you have a lot of service people going up and down that roof and walking around, you might really want to consider upping that amount of visitation to the roof. Instead of doing twice a year, maybe doing 3 or 4 times a year to check those specific areas, especially the waterways and the drain areas as we discussed. If you found this video helpful and useful, please give us a like. And if you have issues on your roof and you're just not sure what's the next step, please feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to seeing you on your roof.